Welcome back to Recycled and Saved. We got a really beautiful 1998 YZ125. It has a fresh crank and piston. Here's the old one, and I got the receipt that was just professionally done. Got a rebuilt shock. Here's the old one. FMF silencer. It has the trail legal FMF spark arrestor on it now. Brand new tires. They are MX33s, front and back, never used. So if you need a set of rims and tires, this is a great set already for hard pack, and keep yours for sand. I was told it's got fresh fork seals. Everything about this bike is pretty much brand new and ready to go. Really ashamed to take something like this apart, but it's 5 degrees here in Wisconsin, so nobody's going to be using it here for a long time. So if you need an engine or any other parts for a 1998 YZ125, some of those parts will fit on other bikes. I do have a short video from his house where we did have it running in his shop. It's cold here. I don't even want to start a two-stroke in this weather, so I can link that video into if somebody wants to see and hear it run. But like I said, it's a fresh professional rebuild, new crank, new piston. Everything's ready to go. Check down below, subscribe to see what else we're taking apart. Get a hold of us on eBay or Facebook. Let us know what you need for your bike. Forgot to mention Emic grips and spacers to put fat bars on it. New clutch cable, a lot of new stuff. So let us know what you need. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.